Do you want to take your business to the next level? In this video, I'll show you how to design a stunning cupcake product page in Canva that's perfect for showcasing your items, whether it's cupcakes, t-shirts, dresses, or even cookies. Now let's get started. You're going to go to the bottom, create a blank video, and we're going to go to elements, and we're going to go to square, rectangle shape, and let's see if we can get a different type of pink. So once we got the color that we like, we're going to go down to the bottom and duplicate the page. And then I'm going to add my cupcake. The next thing we want to do, guys, is go over to text. And I'm going to put chocolate cupcake. Okay, guys, the next thing we want to do is change the color from black to white. Okay, then I'm going to copy and paste this. And I'm going to put cupcake. Okay, I'm going to bring it up here. Okay, and guys, we're going to change the font to, let's go over here. Right here. Okay, we're going to do the same for the chocolate, word chocolate. Highlight it. Go back to, okay. The next thing, guys, we want to do is click on effects. Click on lift. Increase it all the way up. Okay, then guys, go to the right corner, click copy style, and put it over chocolate. Okay, guys, so next thing we want to do is just make this a little bigger and just slide it to the left, and we're going to make this a little bigger as well, and we're going to drag it to the upper right corner. Make sure you leave the little line right here, okay? And we're going to center our cupcake in the middle. Okay, next thing, guys, you want to do is duplicate this page. Okay, guys, for this page right here, we are going to increase our chocolate cupcake. All right, bring it down some. And we're going to bring over our chocolate. Guys, we're going to go up here at the top and bring over our cupcake and make chocolate just a little bigger than the cupcake. Go down to the bottom and we're going to click on add transition. And we're going to click on flow to the left. And we're going to increase it all the way up. Okay, guys, and then we're going to go to the next one, add transition, match and move, and increase all the way to the top the duration. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is add a page. We're going to change the color at the top. I'm going to do this green here. Okay, guys, next thing we want to do is go back to elements and find our next cupcake. Let's type in strawberry. All right, click on photos. This looks good to me. Okay, and so the next thing, guys, we want to do is go to text, and we're going to do the same things as we did the other ones. I'm going to type in strawberry, all uppercase. Strawberry as we did before. Highlight it. I'm going to change the color to white again. And we're going to change the font the same as before. And then we're going to duplicate and put cupcake. Okay, we're going to go to this page here. And we're going to click on copy style and go right back to the, and click on this one. And click on this one as well. Okay. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do, we're going to do like we did our previous one. We're going to drag strawberry at the top to the left, and we're going to drag cupcake to the right corner, And we're going to center this strawberry cupcake. Then we're going to come down to the bottom and duplicate the page. Just bring down our strawberry over here and our cupcake to the left. And we're going to increase this strawberry. We're going to drag strawberry over here. And then have our cupcake right here underneath it. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is come in right here. We're going to add another transition. We're going to click on flow again. We're going to increase the duration all the way to the top. And then we're going to come over here, add another transition to the left. We're going to click on match and move again and increase the duration. What we want to do is add another page. We're going to go to the top and change the color to blue. And we're going to go back to elements and add our next cupcake. Okay, so we're going to add this caramel cupcake. We're going to go back to text and type in caramel, all uppercase. Okay, let's guys move this to the left a little bit. Then we're going to go over here and add our transition. Go back to flow again. Increase the duration. Come back here again. Add match and move. Increase the duration again. We're going to add a page. Go back to elements. And we're going to go back same cupcakes that we used before. Okay guys, so here are 3 cupcakes. We're going to resize them. I'm going to put this one in the middle. Smaller. Okay guys, then we're going to group all of them together. Big group. And then we're going to make sure it's centered. Now guys, we want to increase the size of the cupcakes. Alright. And then we're going to go back to text. Add our text. And we're going to type in cupcakes again, all uppercase. Once again, we're going to highlight it. The color to change the color to white, and the font is going to be the same font that we used earlier. And then we're going to go back to this, click on it, copy style, and click on cupcakes. Okay guys, we're going to drag cupcakes to the left corner again. And then we're going to go down to the bottom and duplicate page. Guys, we're going to click this and we're going to reduce our cupcakes. And we're going to center them. Okay. We're going to bring back our heading cupcakes. Center it. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is go back over here into the center. We're going to click add transition, flow, increase the duration, and go over here, add transition, click on match and move. We're going to increase the duration. Okay guys, now we're going to go back and we're going to reduce the duration at the bottom to 0.5 for this one. And we're going to make these 2.2 for each one. So guys, now that we have our duration times right at the bottom, we're going to press play. And look how cool this is. So now guys, you know how to create an eye-catching product for cupcakes. And the best part is you can apply this technique to showcase anything like t-shirts, dresses, or cookies, or whatever your brand is. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay inspired. Until the next time, Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Darlette.